Hi friends, this is Mangala Pratap and Muralidharan talking to you from India. Excel in your communication is the topic today. It's important for us to think about excelling in our communication because we are all the time communicating with this Mother Earth. All that we do, feel, think is always communicated. Remember, there's nothing which goes out of this universe. Anything that we experience or feel or think about is always communicated to this very universe. That's one of the reasons why the great saints have said life is a continuum. Remember, Buddha once happened to say, life is a continuum, especially in his fire sermon, to make us realize that everything is bound to be captured in this universe. And that's one of the reasons why it's important for us to stay in touch with our body, mind, and soul all the time. But is it possible today to do it? It is. Is it possible to realize a world of wisdom inbuilt into our mind? It is absolutely possible for us to do so, but for which we will have to keep working on it. There is nothing that can stop us from achieving all that we want to achieve in life if we stay in touch with our flow of communication. Remember, all that we do today is possible only because of this communication, that we seem to be part of this universal link of this communication that is part of the cosmic chain. So anything that we do happens to be part of this communication process. That's one of the reasons why I always say communication can help us to realize the greatest moments of life. Most of the finest spiritual leaders have talked about the importance of communicating with oneself. I always say intrapersonal communication is extremely important for us. Yoga, for example, is one of the best ways of being an excellent communicator. And your meditation is a wonderful tool that you have to communicate with yourself. And you need to keep communicating with yourself by recording your thoughts, ideas, feelings, and emotions, etc. The best thing to do is record yourself, maybe through an audio or a video, or sometimes through a journal, and type it out and keep yourself engaged and stay in touch with your mind and do the best. That's how you can energize yourself. You can work on yourself. You can keep yourself busy. That is how you can change everything on this earth. And that's the best way to energize oneself, because when you communicate freely, and remember, you're relieved of all kinds of stress you have. And that's the secret of success. And if you can communicate effectively with your mind, you achieve the best. If you can communicate all that you need with the universe, you get it, you accomplish it, you make it a reality. That is the secret of all communication. Friends, if you want to know more about me, visit me at www.mangalaprathaban.com. That is MANGALAPRATHABAN.com. If you want to know more about me, also visit me at www.fluencycenter.org. www.fluencycenter.org. Wish you all success. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See you.